Unit 2. The Atmosphere and Protecting Planet Earth. Lesson 1. An altimeter is used to determine the elevation of the navigation based on the atmospheric pressure at this level. Aneroid is a type of barometers, which is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Layers of atmospheric envelope. First layer, troposphere. Troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere. It means the disturbed layer where most of the weather changes occur in this layer. Characteristics and importance of the troposphere. Decreases by a rate of 6.5 degrees C per 1 kilometer until it reaches the lowest value of about -60 degrees C at tropopause. Pressure at sea level. For a mass. Temperature. Go down. Exercise 3. If the temperature at the base of Mount Everest is 20.6 C, how much is the temperature at its top if the mountain height is 886? Solution. Height, km, equals. The decrease in temperature equals height, km, v 6.5 equals 16. Temperature at the top equals temperature at the base, decrease in temperature. Second layer, stratosphere. Characteristics and importance of the stratosphere. 37 kilometers. 60 degrees C, then increases gradually until it reaches 0 degrees C at the end of the layer. This is due to the absorption of ultraviolet radiation, emitted from the Sun, by the ozone layer that is present in the upper part of the layer. 0.001 of the normal pressure at sea level, at the end of the layer. 40 kilometers above sea level. Oves. In this part horizontally, making it suitable for flying planes. Third layer, mesosphere. It is the coldest layer. Characteristics and importance of the mesosphere. Th. Thickness of about 35 kilometers. 90 degrees C, at its end. A limited amount of helium and hydrogen gases. Shin with air molecules. Fourth layer, thermosphere. It means the heated layer as it is the hottest layer of the atmosphere. Characteristics and importance of the thermosphere. Above sea level with a thickness of about 590 kilometers. Until 700 kilometers above sea level, in a part known as ionosphere. Ionosphere plays an important role in wireless communication. Send-receive reflection of radio waves from the ionosphere and broadcasting as it reflects radio waves that are transmitted by communication centers and radio stations. 17. Van Allen belts, which are responsible for dissipating harmful cosmic rays away from the Earth. The aurora phenomenon, which appears as brightly colored light curtains at both the north and south poles of the Earth. Exosphere. This is the area where satellites float around the Earth and transmit weather condition information and TV programs. Colored brightly curtains. The aurora phenomenon. Dissipating communication rays, cosmic broadcasting layers, navigation. Elevation layers of atmospheric envelope. Review of Lesson 1. A normal atmospheric pressure equals millibar 1013.25/76/1.013/760. B is located between stratosphere and mesosphere. Tropopause/stratopause/mesopause/thermopause. See meteors burn in mesosphere/ionosphere/exosphere/stratosphere. 18. A. The lower part of the stratosphere is suitable for flying airplanes. B. Ionosphere is important for radio stations. A. Van Allen's belts. B. Altimeter. C. Satellites. Anti by each of the following. A. Atmospheric pressure. B. The aurora phenomenon. Lesson 2. Erosion of ozone layer and global warming. First, erosion of the ozone layer phenomenon. Composition of ozone gas. 1. Breaking down the bond of the oxygen molecule O2 when it absorbs the ultraviolet radiation, UV, producing two free active oxygen atoms 2O. Each free oxygen atom combines with an oxygen molecule to produce an ozone molecule. 19. Importance of ozone layer. Ozone layer does not allow penetration of all far and medium ultraviolet radiations, which have very harmful effects. Pollutants of ozone layer. Agricultural crops. Second, global warming. The most important greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide gas CO2. Its ratio increased in the atmosphere to 0.038% in 2005 after it was 0.031%. Chlorofluorocarbon CFC compounds. Methane gas CH4. nitrous oxide N2O, water vapor H2O. The negative effects of global warming phenomena. 1. Melting of the ice and snow of both south and north poles. 2. Severe climatic changes. Among these features is the repeated occurrence of tropical hurricanes such as Hurricane Katrina in 2005, destroying floods, drought waves and forest fires. Forest fires, global warming. Drought waves, pollutants. Destroying floods, far. Tropical hurricanes, penetration. Climatic breaking down. Greenhouse gases. Erosion. 20. Review of Lesson 2. A molecule is forms combining an atom of an element to a molecule of the same element. B. Continuous increase of the average temperature of the air near the surface of the Earth. A. Ozone layer is measured by a unit called km/Dobson/UV/mm3. B. All are greenhouse gases except CO2/O2/N2O/CH4. A. Formation of ozone layer in the stratosphere. B. Stop building Concorde airplanes. Unit review. 1. The boundary separating between stratosphere and mesosphere where temperature is rather constant. 2. Charged layer reflects radio waves. 3. One of the atmosphere components that its ratio increased in recent years to reach about 0.038%. 4. A type of ultraviolet radiation that is absorbed completely, 100%, in the ozone layer. 1. The highest temperature layer in the atmosphere is, and the least temperature one is. 2. Most of weather features occur in layer whereas satellites swim through the layer. 3. Ultraviolet radiation has a effect, and the infrared radiation has a effect. 4. Among the pollutants of the ozone layer are compounds that are used in 21. Air conditioning sets and compounds that are used in fire extinguishers. Ozone gas. Aeroplane is 90 millibar. In which layer of the atmosphere was the plane flying? Y. In mesosphere and thermosphere in terms of temperature, importance, and air pressure. Top is -6 degrees C. Unit 3.